Let's make this Indian dessert known as Kheer. It's a milk-based pudding which is extremely popular in Indian continent. Start with 1/4 cup of rice. For a great texture, tukda rice is used to make the kheer, but it's not really required, and as you can see, I am using tilda rice here. Now wash your rice at least 3 to 4 times. Dip your rice in water and keep it aside for at least 30 minutes. Next, I will use 4 green cardamoms and I will use a mortar and pestle to crush them. Remove the outer shells from the green cardamom as they won't taste good in this recipe. Make a fine powder from the remaining portion. Next, I will use 10 to 12 cashews and 10 to 12 almonds. I have also added pistachios, which I have forgot to show in this video. Crush all of this really well. Let's start the cooking now. Keep your pan on high heat and start with half a cup of water. Now add 1 liter of high fat milk here. I am using whole milk here with 3.25% of milk fat. Now you have to start moving your spoon. Use a spatula and start moving it. Since your heat is high, be sure your milk is not sticking to the bottom of the pan. You have to keep moving your spatula and wait until your milk starts boiling. Once your milk starts boiling, take out 1 cup of milk. Add few petals of saffron in this milk and keep it aside. We will use this later in the video. Now reduce your heat to medium. Remove the water from the rice and add it in the milk. Keep moving your spatula once again, and now you have to cook it until your milk is reduced to half. Do not add any sugar at this stage. This step will easily take 15 to 20 minutes. Keep moving your spatula and be sure nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan. Keep removing this milk fat from the sides. You can see this milk has reduced a lot. Now it's time to check the rice here. Just make sure your rice are fully soft here. Initially, your rice was sitting on the bottom, but once you reach this stage where your rice gets fluffy and it starts coming to the top, add the green cardamom powder. Next, add your dry fruit. You can also include raisins, but I don't like it, so I am not adding it here. Next, add your saffron milk. As you can see, this kheer is start getting thick now, and you can see the rice floating on the top. So once you are at this stage, it's time to add the sugar. I am adding 2.5 tablespoons of sugar here, but you can adjust the sugar as per your liking. I personally avoid eating too much sugar, so the quantity of sugar is less in this video, but you can easily adjust it. Now mix all of this once again and taste your kheer for the sugar adjustment. And that is it guys. Turn off the heat and your kheer is fully ready. As you can see, this recipe is not that difficult, but it takes some time and patience. So try this recipe at home and let me know how it was. I have made some other Indian recipes which you can check out on my channel. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.